I wish someone told me at 21 it's so easy to make money online, right? Now, I'm making this video for like the younger version of myself because at 21, I did not know it's this easy to make money online. I thought, to make money online is difficult. All these people that are rich, all these people that are financially free, they've had to put in so much hard work. They've had to do so much to become successful, to become rich, right? And I was thinking to myself at 21, for me to actually achieve those things, it's going to take me a long time. I'm going to fail along the way, and maybe then at some point I can do it, or maybe I can't, right? But having known what I know now, I'm like 29 years old, right? So 8 years ago, if I knew the information I knew now, I'd probably be a billionaire. But my point is, right, I wish someone told me at 21 that it's actually so easy to make money online. In fact, if you look at most people now, right, that are 16, 17, 18, 19, a lot of these guys are making ridiculous amounts of money online. And when you look at it from now, from this point of view, you think, okay, cool. How are these guys doing it? How are these guys at this age doing it? But obviously where I am now, at 29, knowing the information I know now, I'm not surprised because people that are 16, 17, 18, the only difference between them and most of you guys that are watching this, right, is, well, two things to be honest. One, they took action, and one, they know the information required to get there. So without those two things, they wouldn't be where they are now. Like, for example, one of my clients who was 16 years old got 2 clients within a few weeks of working with me, and he made around £4,000, right? But my point is, guys, this just shows that it's crazy that people like that young can make money. People that are 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, right, can make ridiculous amounts of money, and all they have to do is take action and know the information required. Now, if you guys don't know who I am, by the way, I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I used to work in Argos, World Duty Free, Sky. I used to do all these jobs, right? And I was working up until 27 before I took a big risk, quit my 9-to-5 job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai, which is obviously where I currently live at the moment. And life has completely changed. I make well over 6 figures a year. I have financial freedom. I can do whatever it is that I want. I can live how I want. I can travel wherever I want, right? Life is amazing. But this is why I wish someone told me at 21 that I could have had that life then. Because guys, if a 16-year-old can do it, and guys, when I was 16, I was making £400-500 a month in Argos, right? So if a 16-year-old can do it now, then there's no excuses for some of you grown adults, right? Because all you have to do is take action. Like, he joined my program. He learned the information required. He made money straight away. So again, if he can do it, why can't you? And the only reason he was able to do it is because, one, he took action, right? He signed up with me. He hired me as a mentor. He learned everything required to learn from me. And he put in the work. And a lot of you guys are just skeptical. You just, go to your 9-to-5 job. You look at all these people making money online and you're skeptical. You're like, oh yeah, that's probably fake. Or, oh yeah, I couldn't do it. Or, they got lucky, or X, Y, and Z, whatever you guys think, right? How can you think that when there are so many people doing it? So by your logic, everyone's doing something wrong? Everyone's fake? Come on, guys, this is real. People are making money at young ages. And this is why I say, I wish someone told me at 21, because to a certain extent, I was one of those skeptical people at 21. Whenever an opportunity came in front of me, I was like, yeah, probably not gonna happen, probably not likely, right? But I know now, looking back, I was very matrix-minded to a certain extent. I was very like, okay, the government told me to do this, so I've got to kind of do this. And I was just told, right, go to university, get a 9-to-5 job, you'll have a good life. But it never happened. I never had a good life from doing that. I went to university, all that happened from university is I got more in debt, I didn't learn anything, I didn't get the job that I wanted, right? And when I got a job that was kind of media related, I actually didn't enjoy it. I hated it because I had to wake up early, I had to do 12-hour shifts, right? That's not going to change. Doesn't matter how good your 9-to-5 job is, it's not going to change. You have to work 40 hours a week. And I did not want to do that for someone else. Now, just a quick one, guys. If you do want to start an online business, well, I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month. Click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how you could start the one skill consulting business model and start making 10K a month. Now, at 21, if I knew the information I knew now, honestly, no joke, I would probably be a billionaire. I would have had like an 8-year head start to where I am currently, right? I would have known all the information, I would have put it into place, and I would have made so much money. Guys, it has never been easier to make money in 2026. We are in a position now where 16-year-olds are making money, 17-year-olds are making money. I know a 15-year-old making $3 a day. Guys, there's no excuses. Honestly, there's no excuses. There's a lot of people that are 30, 35, 36, 37, 40 plus, 50 plus even, right? That still don't believe that there are people that young making money. There are people half your age making so much more money than you. Like, that should scare you. That should make you think, okay, if these people are doing it, surely you can do it as well. And I'm telling you from experience, you can, right? It only takes, 90 days to change your life. If you lock in for 90 days, and if you hire a mentor, and if you do the work required, 90 days is all it takes to change your life, right? So my point being, guys, if you're 21 watching this, or maybe you're a lot older, right? Whatever the case is, this video is for everyone. If you are 21, I want to kind of make the point that you can make money. Don't listen to anyone else. Don't listen to the people that tell you to be realistic. You can start an online business, you can put in the work, and you can make money, and you can change your life within 90 days. If you are older, let's say 30, 40, or even 50, right, then it's still never too late. If you've got to that point now, and you're like, oh, you know what, I'm considering to make money online, X, Y, and Z. For you guys, the best time to start would have been years ago, right? But again, you're at this stage now. There's no point crying over spilled milk. If you want to change your life and you want to make money and you want to start an online business, you can still do it, right? All you have to do is just start, because without starting, nothing's going to change. And this is why I'm making this video, right? Because if I look back at the 21-year-old version of myself, I look at him now and I'm like, you know what? If I could only help him, if I can explain to him that it is possible, you can make money, you can do well. Because nowadays, 16-year-olds, guys, 16-year-olds can make money, 15-year-olds can make money. So what's the excuses if you're a grown-ass adult and you can't make money online, and you're working a 9-to-5 job, you're working for someone else, you're performing for someone else, right? Why would you do that when you can just make money for yourself? And if people half your age can do it, why can't you? So it doesn't matter if you're 21 now, it doesn't matter if you're 50, right? The point is, you can still start now, and you can still lock in, and you can still change your life. And my best advice for a lot of you guys is hire a mentor. If the 21-year-old version of myself was in front of me right now, the one advice I would give him is hire a mentor. Because the problem is, you don't know what you don't know, okay? So if you want to change your life, if you want an exceptional life, you need to start doing exceptional things, right? So the first advice I would give the 21-year-old version of myself is hire a mentor. Because that's what I did when I moved to Dubai. I hired a mentor, I learned the information required, started my business, and I made 10 grand in my first month of doing so. So if I could tell the 21-year-old version of myself, look, get yourself out there on YouTube, start making content, hire a mentor, learn everything that's required, and you will change your life. And that is one of the best advice I can give anyone that's watching this video. Maybe you're 21, maybe you're not, hire a mentor, right? Because without hiring a mentor, you don't know the information required to grow. Sure, you could do it yourself. Sure, you can learn along the way. Sure, you can make mistakes, but that's going to take you a long time. If you want to make money as quick as possible, if you want to know the right steps, if you want to do the right things, you hire a mentor. You learn everything, you'll make money in 90 days. Or if you want to do it by yourself, it might take you a year, it might take you 2 years, it might take you 3 years. But the risk with that is that you might never learn what is required to actually be successful. So again, guys, if you do need any help with starting your own online business, where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.